Welcome to Affluence Online, the place to learn about investing and managing your finances. Buying a rental property can be a great way to generate income and build wealth over time, but the process can be daunting. To make the whole procedure a little less overwhelming, here's a step-by-step overview of what the process looks like from beginning to end. Step 1. Know your end goal. Understanding your end goal is the first step towards buying a rental property. This end goal should be based on your financial capabilities, chosen investment strategy, and the answers to the following 5 questions. When do you plan to retire, and how much money will you need to cover all of your expenses? Do you have any current retirement income sources? How much money do you plan on investing in purchasing rental properties? Do you need immediate cash flow? Do you need to diversify your portfolio to reduce risk, maximize returns, or lower taxes? These questions will help your end goal in mind as you begin to choose an investment strategy. Step 2. Get advice from other landlords. The next step in your real estate investment journey is to speak to other landlords. Talking to a mentor who is investing in the same area that you are interested in can make all of the difference in the world. Step 3. Save for the down payment. Keep in mind how much money to save for a down payment. Ideally, you want to have a 20 to 30% down payment saved. You can save for a down payment by paying off any debt you currently have, setting an automatic savings deposit, lowering your rent, reducing unnecessary living expenses, and taking on a side hustle. Step 4. Know your rental property expenses. All of rental properties have expenses. It is important that you know all about the potential expenses that the property will experience, such as property taxes and anticipated and unexpected repairs. Step 5. Get pre-qualified. Pre-qualification will help you better understand what types of investment properties you can afford to buy. Before becoming pre-qualified, you should meet the following qualifications. Have a credit score of at least 680, above 720 is ideal. Have a 2-year job history at a U.S. company. Self-employed individuals will need to prove their financial stability and monthly income for the past 3 to 5 years. Have the liquid cash needed for the down payment. Have cash available for at least 6 months of expenses. Maintain a consistently low debt-to-income ratio. Keep no more than 10 finance properties on your current credit report. Step 6. Research different rental markets. You can never research too much. As part of this process, look for the following indicators of a strong real estate market: job growth, population growth, and city revitalization. Step 7. Do your own diligence. Look into the actual neighborhoods within the markets you're interested in. Ask the following types of questions to guide your research efforts. Is the rental property within a good school district? What would the property's walk score be? How many rental properties are in the area? What is the average household income for the neighborhood? Is the crime rate low? What are the demographics for the neighborhood? Step 8. Speak to the property manager. When it comes to buying your first rental property, it's vital that you speak with the property manager. Be sure to ask him the following types of questions. How much will this property rent for in this area? What are the average rents in this area? Once you have gathered the answers to the above 2 questions, start to cross-reference the data against what you can find on popular sites such as Craigslist, Hotpad, Zillow, or even apartments.com. Step 9. Get a home inspection. A home inspection can point out red flags that, if left unnoticed or unresolved, could end up costing you a lot of money after you have already purchased the home. Also, the results of the home inspection can be used during the negotiation stages of your home purchase. Step 10. Analyze the pro forma. Study the property's pro forma, which are essentially its cash flow projections. These projections will help determine the home's anticipated monthly cash flow, as well as its expenses, including taxes and expected ROI. Step 11. Get an appraisal. If you plan to finance the purchase of a rental property, the lender will order an appraisal. The appraisal helps the lender ensure that the purchase price and the appraisal price are similar. Finally, the appraisal will give you peace of mind to make sure you aren't paying more for the home than it's actually worth. Step 12. Get homeowners insurance. Accidents come in all shapes and sizes. Don't place unnecessary risk on your newest investment purchase by failing to obtain homeowners insurance. Call around and speak with a few local agents to compare prices, packages, and coverage. Step 13. Choose the right financing. Deciding on the right financing to buy your rental property comes down to your investing goals. Are you interested in generating a positive monthly cash flow or long-term appreciation? The type of financing you choose will affect your return. Step 14. Make an offer. Once you make an offer and it's accepted, the clock starts ticking. Act quickly and make sure the deal closes before the agreed upon deadline. At this point, you should have a very solid idea about how much money and time you'll need to get your property rental ready. The faster you can fill the rental with tenants, the faster you'll start seeing a return on your investment. By following the above steps, you'll be well prepared to buy your rental property. Have any questions about the process? Want to share your experience buying a rental property? Be sure to leave your thoughts in the comment section below. Thank you for spending some time with Affluence Online. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel so you never miss another video. We also handpick these videos that we recommend you watch next. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you back again soon.